night to remember. Nothing ever felt like the moment I met her. Perfectly timed. What if I didn't go out that night? Took a left instead of a right. You missed you by a red light. What could have been? Can you feel the chemical reaction? You triggered my desire and attraction. Everything in me wants this to happen.